Hello, it's me, Punchy and Lottie! Bam! Subscribe! Please. Alright, so today magre-review tayo na to. Tadan! Tadan! Ito yung Rule 1 Whey Protein Blend 5 pounds free shaker. So 3,420 pesos siya. So whey protein siya. Ayan. So another whey protein yung i-review natin. 5 pounds, madami na rin siya. So, if you're interested, ilalagay ko yung link sa may baba kung saan siya pwedeng mabili. So, yes, i-check na natin to and tingnan natin kung maganda ba yung quality nitong Rule 1 Whey Protein. Let's go! Hello! So, ito na yung ating nabiling bagong whey protein. Ayan. So, ito po ay Rule 1 Whey Protein. So, ito yung tsura niya, guys. Rule 1 Whey Protein Blend, 5 pounds, new stocks, free sampler with shaker, tank top, or t-shirt. So, at the moment, it is 3,420 pesos. Ayan. And, ganyan siya, guys. So, again, ilalagay ko yung link sa may baba kung saan nyo siya pwedeng mabili. Marami siyang flavor actually, pero sold out yung iba. So, again, nalagay ko yung link sa may baba kung interested ka. So, ganito yung dumating. Again, this is 3,420. Ang pinili ko, guys, is free shaker. So, we have the shaker here. Unahin natin yung shaker. How cute no color orange. So, ito yung tsura ng shaker niya, guys. Rule 1, tas color orange yung cap. Made in China. BPA free. Puno. Okay. So, let's see. Okay. Similar siya sa shaker kong isa. So, meron siya dito ganyan. Parang honeycomb style. Tapos, ayan. Very straightforward. This is how many? 16 ounce? Di ko alam. Hindi ko mabasa. Ayan. Ito yung shaker, guys, na libre. And then, ito na, guys, yung Rule 1 na whey protein. Meron nakalagay ditong one new look, same great results. So, over here, nakalagay, Rule 1 whey protein, chocolate fudge yung binili ko, artificially flavored. Meron siyang 24 grams of protein, 100% whey protein, 11 grams of EAAs, and then banned substance tested. So, protein powder drink mix, net weight is 80.2 ounce, 5 pounds, 2.28 kilograms, 65 servings. So, 2 buwan itong whey protein na to. Yun lang. Chocolate fudge. And then dito, essential amino acids. Daming ganap. EAAs. Whey protein, our 100% whey formula delivers an exceptional mix of high-quality protein, simple preparation, and great taste. Made with 3 different whey sources, each scoop provides 24 grams of protein along with 11 grams of naturally occurring EAAs, factor in effortless mixability, plus a large assortment of flavors, and it's apparent whey protein is an overachiever in every way. As yung essential amino acids niya, meron siyang leucine, valine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, histidine, isoleucine, tryptophan, threonine, conditionally essential amino acids, arginine, glycine, cysteine, proline, glutamine, and glutamic acid tyrosine. Non-essential amino acids, aspartic acid, alanine, and senin. Dami epektus. Okay. So, ito na yung nutritional facts. Oh, wait lang, nasa yung dito. Expiry date. Expire siya na February 2028. So, 2 years pa mag-expire. Ito na. So, yung nutritional facts, 65 grams per container. 1 scoop is 35 grams. So 35 grams na yun, total fat is 2.5 grams. Saturated fat is 1 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 80 milligrams. Sodium, 120 milligrams. Total carbohydrate, 4 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugar, 1 gram. Protein, 24 grams. Vitamin D, wala. Calcium, 15%. Iron, 6%. Potassium, 6%. Ingredients nito, protein blend, whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate, hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, cocoa, processed with alkali, contains 2% of less natural artificial flavors, cellulose gum, xanthan gum, salt, sucralose, acesulfame, potassium, soy lecithin, sunflower lecithin, contains milk and soy. Daming epektus. So, buksan na natin siya. So, naka-seal as you can see. Nginat-ngat. O, yan. Let's see. Okay, naka-seal siya, guys. Ay, ba't pagkatuklap ko, ganun, hindi siya na totally natatanggal. Ayan. So, ito yung tsura niya. Mabango. Amoy cocoa siya. Kita nyo ba? Parang madilim. Madilim, no? Ayan. Amoy cocoa. Amoy... Ano ba? Yung nasa lata na cocoa. Ang tawag dun. Ganito yung niya. Tayo. Mano siya very fine. Paano ba? Ayan guys. Ganyan yung tsura ng kanyang powder. Very, very fine yung powder niya. Ayan very, very fine. Tignan ka. Ay, masarap. Masarap siya. Medyo maalat. Ano may chocolate na medyo maalat? Ganyan yung lasa niya. And then, pakita ulit, hindi siya puno. Siguro, di ba ito siya? Hanggang dito lang siya. Hanggang dyan lang yung Hanggang dyan lang siya. Hindi siya puno. Hanggang dito lang siya. So, yan. Tikman na natin. Kuha ako ng tubig. Wait lang Meron akong tubig dyan at hanapin natin yung scoop. Saan ba yung scoop nito? Ayun. Kulay itim yung scoop niya. Maganda. First time ko makakita ng scoop na itim sa mga whey protein. Guys, ito yung itsura ng scoop niyo. Yan, ito yung scoop niya. Maliit lang yung scoop nito. So, gagawin ko, mag-scoop tayo, lagyan natin to. Wait lang, gano'ng karami ba yung isang scoop? Ilang tubig? So, mix 1 scoop of whey protein with 6.8 ounce, 177 to 237 ml of water, milk, or favorite beverage in a shaker cup or glass with spoon. Use after your workouts as an anytime snack to add high quality protein to your daily routine. Okay. So, 1 scoop, 6 to 8 ounce, 177 to 237. 8 ounce hanggang dito lang siya, guys. Maliit lang yung 8 ounce, hanggang dito lang, oh. So, gawin ko 1 scoop 24 grams of protein raw. Di umano. Allegedly. And then, let's me try 8 ounce. Nasaan ba yung 8 ounce dito? Ang dilim naman kasi nito. O yan, 8 ounce na yan. Tikman ko muna siya ng walang gatas. Kapag maano, hindi ako nasarapan, nalagyan ko tong gatas. So, shake natin. Rule 1. In fairness, maganda yung kanyang shaker. Like it. Okay. So, I think, ano na siya. Paano ba yan? Okay. Ito na. Tikman natin. Lasang chocolate na maalat. Parang wafer. Di ba may mga wafer na cracker, tas chocolate flavor, ganun yung lasa niya. Lagyan natin tubig. Wait. Ay, lagyan ko ng gatas. Wait lang. Kasi kapag ano, nagagatas ako. Ito palang gatas is ano, Bear Brand Adult Plus. So, kukuha ko na isang ganyan para masarap. Ayan, lagyan natin ng water. 24 grams of protein is not bad. And 2 months na siya. 65 servings. Pwede na. Malang may protein, no? Okay. Ito na yung rule 1. Tingnan natin kung mas masarap na siya merong gatas. Tingnan okay na to. Tingnan natin. Mas masarap siya may gatas. So yun lang. Yun lang ating taste test nitong rule 1. Ayun. So tapos na nating itimpla at tikman itong rule 1 na whey protein. Again, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Ibaba ko na lang kayo. Ayan. Rule 1 whey protein. So again, this is rule 1 whey protein blend, 5 pounds with free shaker. At the moment, it's 3,420 kasi meron siyang discount. So ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Color blue yung kanyang one. And then, yung free shaker niya is color black with orange takip. And yung scoop nito is kulay black. Maliit lang yung scoop niya, and this is 65 servings. So it will last you 2 months. Yun lang. So, tinikman ko lang siya, guys. Masarap naman siya. Medyo chocolate siya maalat. Ganun yung kayang lasa. So yun lang, guys. If you're interested, ilalagay ko yung link sa may baba kung saan siya mabibili. And yeah, so far, I'm happy naman with this whey protein. Masarap naman siya. Yun lang. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the vlog. And I love you so much. Bye-bye.